Hello everyone, welcome to another video on iMesh Academy YouTube channel. This course is structured to help beginners as well as experienced developers to understand the functionality of Flutter framework and apply the learnings in their application in a precise and professional manner. In this session, I will explain the course details and I will have a quick walkthrough through the course. This course is split into different chapters, each cover particular feature or topic in the Flutter framework. This course is designed in a code-along fashion, where you can pause the course and try it out yourself while watching it. This makes it easy for you to understand how it works and will help you to learn the technology nice and easy. For starters, this course will help you to develop standard feature-rich applications in Flutter for both Android and iOS devices. Coding is simple and easy if it is done right. This course will help you to build a strong base and help you with some of the most useful advanced features in the framework. This course is divided into chapters and each chapter covers a unique feature. Chapters are organized in the ascending order of difficulty. Chapter 1 to 10 explains fundamentals of Flutter framework and chapter 11 to 30 covers some of the advanced features of Flutter. Each chapters are split into multiple parts to explain different techniques and features. For example, a chapter explaining functionality of a tab bar would be split into different parts, which explain the usage of tab bar with stateless widget, custom tab bar controllers, usage in stateful widgets, etc. This course uses material design throughout, and if you are not comfortable using material design, stay along. By end of the course, you will master in using material design in all your applications. Chapter 1 to 10 explains widgets, layouts, and the basic UI architecture of Flutter framework. By end of chapter 10, you should be able to create applications which uses scaffold, navigation, gestures, tabs, etc. Chapters 11 to 30 covers advanced features in the framework. These chapters explain state management, including assets in your applications, handling inputs, using animations, usage of async pattern, integration with platform, using profilers to understand and tune pitfalls in your application, etc. etc. You will create a lot of different applications as you code along. Each shows different usage of different Flutter components. This shall also help you to understand different UI architecture patterns we adopt in this application, which is a bonus. Code for each chapters are available under iMesh Academy/Flutter. Link for the same will be provided in the description of each videos. Code in GitHub is provided in a timeline manner, meaning if you want to check the code for a previous chapter, you can check out the specific code from the corresponding chapter and you can compare. This helps you to understand the difference in using different components in Flutter as we progress in the course. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for the course materials. In the next session, we'll go through the basics of Flutter, its architecture, and much more.